ki khubor ka bate si TV Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 ar pusau
Roman Catholic Evening Secondary School Mihmyntdu kumkuwe ni Islam ajngi kai yakina ki bon na kalong yi makamdu na kaya kokon kash photrek unai lur ajar posau Rakhe ka World Literacy Day dag ba ajngi kai krapang wan pisngo tho ki khenna halo jing kodor jing na jing start ha kani ka jukko menta yak jing lang la sakhilang dag BMC SSA lasken ka kong di la thong long kong san ka head teacher jang school kong Jessica Biam ki khot jang school managing committee bekin thom you Reverend Father H Lamare uba Frederick Sanna ka sister Pushpa Beg ka sister Sheila ka bere principal jang Don Bosco School Mihmyntdu ki no hikai bagi khenna la pinchong ko ni ka jing lang ni ka jing roa ka jing shan ka jing pule poetry ba ka jing kop drodur Balashim bintari kina puli jangka ni school.
World Literacy Day means we are here. We are here to put our efforts, our dedication to get rid of or to eradicate illiteracy. You know, literacy is the basic needs of human beings. I remember someone said that fooding, clothing, sheltering, those are the basic requirements of human beings. But today in this emerging society, or exploding knowledge in this world, I felt that not only fooding, clothing, and sheltering are the basic needs. The needs and aspirations of children are very high nowadays. So education, don't ever think that, okay, education, no need education. Why should we go for further education? Because we won't get any government job.
Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, free and compulsory education for children below 14 years of age, midday meal, adult education have been going on in India for many years, so that people can understand the importance of literacy. But unfortunately, even today, there are children who did not get the opportunity to go to school. Over the years, International Day has focused on various related themes related to literacy. So the theme for this year, 2024, as we have seen there in the flags, is promoting multilingual education, literacy for mutual understanding and peace. Multilingualism refers to a person's ability to read, write, and speak more than one language. As in our school, now we are teaching 3 languages, that is Khasi, English, and Hindi, to encourage students to learn Hindi also. In the increasingly globalized world, multilingualism connect diverse people, promote understanding of each other's culture, increases mutual respect, and promote peace and brotherhood in the world. In today's world, in which multilingualism is common practice for many, empowering people by adopting a first language-based, multilingual approach to literacy, development, and education is particularly effective for its cognitive, pedagogical, and socio-economic benefits.
Education is for social change. Change become better, not become worse, become better. Therefore, let this program that we have today, let us go out of this room with this in mind. I should become better, I should help others become better, and so on and so forth. That is the purpose of literacy, that's an international literacy of the world today. I pray and wish that our program, children that perform programs today, will also learn. It's just not just performing, but learn what is really what we are doing.
Sanity, reality, the coming day, Apelkasih, Mihmyntdu, Gangsta, Ijingin dapat jawab benar. Ayuh rakyat bukan benar. Ijingin ucap bahas nombaran. Turong akor, ijing long boha. Bero ini orang api hangat. Marane yogi eham terdek. Yang boy ya in sadui silen. Mihmyntdu Gangsta. Ijingin dapat jawab benar. Ayuh rakyat bukan benar. Itu diucap lahas nombara.